Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can see all the answers on Google Form. So for that you need to open up the Google Form, and after opening it up you need to right click on this page and then go to this option of view page source. Just open it up and it will redirect you to this page where a code is written on the top, and what you have to do is just go to your form again and copy the question of your choice for which you are looking to see the answers for. Just open the source page again and go to this option of three dots on the top right corner, then click on it and then click on this option of find, and here just copy paste your question. And after that you will see that a particular area on this code will be highlighted, which we have selected for our question, and you will be able to see that all the options on your question will be found here, like the blue, green, brown, and these are the same options that we have on our form. So right before this option of blue you will see an additional code which is not there with the other options. So this is the answer for our question, and let's see the question. It is, what is the color of sky? So after going through the options, this is the right answer, right? So this way you can see all the right answers, but this is not a perfect way to find the answers, as the code might be different for different questions or different type of questions. So the best way to find all the answers is study. So make sure that you study well before your exam, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.